Hello and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zishan Hassan. I am the tutor of Strategic Business Reporting SBR. In this video, I'll talk about the one of the technical articles in SBR, that is accounting ethics in digital age. So, what are the accounting ethics? As you know, the fundamental principles of uh, ethics of ACC are integrity, which means a person should be honest and straightforward in all of his professional dealings. Objectivity, which means a person should avoid bias and discrimination and conflict of interest, right? Number three, professional competence and due care. That means a person should keep him or herself up to date with professional knowledge and skills all the time, right? Number four, confidentiality, which says that you cannot disclose the information of your client, your employer, to the third party unless it is required by law. When it is required by law, it is legal requirement. No matter what, you have to disclose it, and you can also disclose it when it is in the public interest. When it is in the public interest, at that time, before disclosing to the third party, just consult with your advocate, your lawyer, otherwise you can be in jeopardy. Finally, professional behavior. Avoid such act which can discredit your reputation as well as your professional body reputation. We have various threats. Self interest threat. Okay, what are the self interest threat? As you know, it can be you charging too much, uh, you taking loan from your client, or you have the shares of your client, you are charging the fee with the low balling. What is low balling mean? You are charging fee lower than market rate, the contingent fee which is dependent on other factors, overdue fee, right? Long term relationships, these are all self interest threats. What is self review threat? Next is self review threat, and what does it mean? For example, earlier you gave the taxation services. Earlier you gave the taxation services, and now you're going for the audit. Now you will be like, dude, I myself calculate the taxation figures. So how can it be wrong? You may overlook it. That's self review threat. Okay, next is advocacy threat. Advocacy threat is, that is, you are defending your client, right? In a court case, obviously you are negotiating on behalf of your client in with the banks or other parties, or you are promoting your client to the third parties, right? So this is advocacy threat. Then intimidation threat. Intimidation, that they are threatening you, like, dude, if you will not cooperate with us, we will not give you your fee, or we will not continue with you in the future. That's intimidation threat. The familiarity threat. What is familiarity threat? Familiarity threat is one that you have long-term relationships or your close family member is in the client. For example, you went for an audit uh, to your client, and your on client you saw that your father-in-law is a CFO. So in that case, your wife or your husband will call you and say, "Baby, you want to be home tonight?" You'll say, "Yeah, of course, I want to be home tonight." Now, in such scenario, that will be a familiarity threat. Now, uh, that's the revision overall. Now, how it's more threatening, or in a digital age, what can be the threats? As you know, there are a lot of new things in the digital age. For example, cyber security threats are there, big data threats are there, artificial intelligence threats are there. Uh, you know, lot of data available on the internet. Now, how can be self-interest threat in it? For example, there's a it's a life example. It's a real life example that there are such institutes, unethical institutes in the market. What they are doing, they actually look at the data, that who scored the most marks in the market in the ACC exams. They will contact them, and they will offer the money to the students to claim that offer money to the students and ask them that claim that they are the students of those institute. They take the money from students, take the money from that. Their self-interest is they're getting the money. Institutes self-interest is that they are getting false recognition in the market that student actually studying from them, but this is not, that's self-interest. In such a way, big data, that everybody needs the data, offer the money to the employer, to the accountant, get the data from them and use for on your use. That's another example. Artificial intelligence manipulate the data for your own benefits. That's another example, right? So in such way, now you have to decide your morality, that for some bugs, either you can be unethical or do the unjust practices to gain some uh, undue advantage for a little time. So that's the thing which we have to look at, ethics in digital age. That's a summary of it, and I hope you get it. So we'll see you soon with the next topic very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.